SolidWorks CAD Modeling, Lecture 8, Hydraulics Component. Open a part file. On XY plane, enter sketch mode. Draw a centered rectangle. Place dimension of 100 by 100 and fillet all corners. And extrude it to 30 millimeters. On the top surface, enter sketch mode. Draw a circle on the origin. The diameter will be 50 millimeters and extrude it to 50 millimeters. And on the top surface, enter sketch mode and offset at 5 millimeters reverse and extrude cut to 5 millimeters and solid fillet to 5 millimeters. And these are all practices of extrusion, extrude cut, and solid fillet. Now we'll enter sketch mode on the top surface of the top plane of the base, and I'll draw a corner rectangle. The top line will be coincide with the top surface, and the bottom line will be coincide with the bottom surface. And the distance here will be 10 millimeters, and the thickness will be 2 millimeters, and I'll extrude it to 30 millimeters, and I'll generate circular pattern. So I need this surface to generate an axis for the circular pattern, and I'll choose the axis and the extruded fin to generate a circular pattern here. At 360 degrees equal space, generate 4 instances. So this is the circular pattern. In this example, we can see that the circular pattern is faster for generating this kind of geometry instead of a square pattern or rectangular pattern. So now we'll enter sketch mode on this plane and using convert entities to generate the border lines and extrude it to 15 millimeters here. And now I'll switch back to the command manager, and I'll use the hole wizard, and pointing on a certain point here, use hole wizard, and I'll choose a certain type of holes and use metric unit system and a size of M6. I'll generate a hole here, and for this hole I'll edit the position of the center by placing dimension on the point. For example, here I'll place it as the dimension will be 20 by 20, and it is centered this way. So now I have generated 2 features. The one is the extruded component, the other is the hole, and I'll choose the axis, the extruded feature, and also the hole, and create a circular pattern of equal space 4 instances. And this is the hydraulic component. And you can also edit, for example, the holes, so that the holes will be, for example, a through hole instead of blind hole. So we get the hydraulics component like this. In this example, we will talk about that sometimes a pattern looks like a rectangular pattern, but it is actually a circular pattern. If you use a circular pattern to generate this kind of features, it is much faster than if you generate it using rectangular pattern. So this is a hydraulic component. Lecture 8.